Today's self-care tip number 13, your lightsaber saver. So this is a spiritual tip. This is a side of me that I haven't really talked about much, but I'm very spiritual and I've always been into rocks. And so it's just natural that I would gravitate towards crystals. So if crystals aren't your jam, then maybe this tip isn't necessarily for you. However, if you are, this is an amazing crystal to work with if you don't already. So part of what's powerful about selenite, it's considered liquid light, so it will unblock energy. It helps you tap into your intuition, and it's actually associated with Greek mythology. The name selenite means moonstone in Greek, and it's associated with Selene, who is the Greek goddess of the moon. So again, this is about divination. This is about liquid light, being able to clean our field, our energy field, and it's also associated with divine feminine energy. And that's what we're talking about here with all these self-care tips. How do we drop into our own feminine power? So here's how I use this. This is such a beautiful piece. What's cool about it too is it's fiber optic. So if you were to put a piece of your phone light underneath it and you sort of orient it different ways, the light will carry up through it no matter what direction you go. That's kind of a cool little tip. I always show kids that and they're like, whoa, that's why I call it the lightsaber saver. So what I do is I use it to just clean my field, and I'm super sensitive. I always have been. I'm what some would call HSP, a highly sensitive person. So I can feel energy, and I've really trained myself to feel into energy, especially within the earth, because I'm very much into nature. So I just use this lightsaber, I call it, this selenite lightsaber, and I clean my field, and I'll bring it under my feet. But I use it again to reorient my energy. It's liquid light, so it's a super powerful tool to use to clean out negative stuck energy within your field, especially when you're under stress or anxious. This is just a great tip. So that's your tip for today. Thanks for being here. Again, selenite, your lightsaber saver. I'll see you tomorrow. One more thing real quick before you go. I wanted you to know that I have created a very special page where I've organized all these beautiful self-care tips I'm going to be sharing with you. I wanted to save you even more precious time because your time, dear mama, is your most valuable asset, and it's a non-renewable resource. The option is called Full Calendar Access. And for those moms who join Full Calendar Access, they're going to get extra special bonus gifts on December 25th. So if you're intrigued, check it out below. Check it out below in the link. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.